Hi everyone, I am Dr. Samada, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today now we will discuss about the concept evolution of data science. Now, we already discussed what is meant by the data science. The data science is an interdisciplinary forum to extract the knowledge from the collection of data set that data science at the foundation of data science at the year of 20th century. It's beginning with the data collection with using of that agriculture, and then the second step is the probability theory. If you that form we have to collected all the data, it's all the data we have to evaluated a probability, depends on the probability value we have to predict. And another one method is available, least square method. It is the least square method is introduced by the Gauss develops the least square method also to identify the data fitting. And large scale census is available, and Rome and China, they have large census of data they have to used in your their data science. And next concept is the Bayes theorem introduced, that is Thomas Bayes formulate Bayes theorem. This Bayes theorem also we have to analyze the data from a data collection. And regression and correlation is a methods for analyze the data. And 20th century, they follow a statistical and computing developments. The first one is Fisherman. We have to analyze the data with the help of that hypothesis testing and ANOVA methods. And Carl Pearson innovations, that person we have to evaluate the correlation and coefficient method, and also evaluated a chi-square test. And the next one is that government data collection they have to study it. And business data management, business started with the maintenance, it's structured financial records. And Alan Turing concept, it is a proposed method for computing a technology. And development and ENIAC, it is a WWI methods. Now move on to the next one is 1950s, 1960s. There is a data processing in machine learning. The machine learning technique they using a data processing in a data collection. For initially they using commercial computers and followed by a database, and then they evaluate your performance. And then network database, the network database they have to create a manage a complete data representation in a relation. That is how the data set is connected with one relation to the another relation. Development of punch card, that punch card is that primary data input method for through that punch card method to pass a input value to the database. And sample chicken program, it is that crackers a playing program, this algorithm using for to creating a playing. And development of hierarchical database, this is for develop a database in hierarchical order. And next one is that business intelligence. The business intelligent database is related with the relational database management system. The first one, the relational model, is created at the year of 1970. The followed by SQL development is created, creating a database. And followed by SQL, they developed BI tools, that is business intelligent tool for data analysis. After that, the data warehouse. To the data warehouse is a centralized system. We have to collect all the data available in data warehouse. It is a centralized system, and this centralized system they using a technique AI and machine learning advancement. It is like decision tree, KNN algorithms are used to detect or predict methods. The next one is that expert system. Expert system, it is combined with a rule based reasoning. This is everything, it will be a rule based. And 1990s, the data mining and internet era. They have data mining emergence at the year 1990, and followed by the mid they using internet. And after 1990s, they using a web analyticals, that is using your log file to identify the user behavior, and visualization tool, it is a software they representing in a visual representation. And big data revolution, the big data is a large data set. How that a large data set is handled in our data sciences, it is a digital revolution. There is all data, it will be the small device through sensor and IoT, those are all things. And Hadoop and MapReduce is a technique for using a big data. And advanced machine learning also used. After that, the hiring data scientist. Experimental data growth, that is nowadays the data will be grow faster, all the data to be handled. And no SQL database used, that no SQL database handle the unstructured data. And emerge of data science, the data science becomes the prominent. AI revolution of 2010. The year of 2010, they using a deep learning, cloud and scalable analysis, and also open source software. Through open software, we have to analyze and to represent in a visualization format with the help of a different kind of data visualization tools. And growth of AI, they concern about that AI techniques. Trends in data science, it is integration and automated and also available analysis, real-time analysis analyticals, and edge computing also used. The trends also followed: big data and development, quantum computing, and Hadoop MapReduce. Likewise, AI augmentation, sustainable data science. This is a friendly computing for analyze the data. Thank you.